Dito Dumaguete machine ay ginagamit na 6 na araw na may 16 total meters. Ito naman ang printer head, cupping, head clean. Nasa na wiper pagkatapos mag-head clean. After head clean, nozzle check. Ang system namin tama lang. Ground wire, EVR, with tank, ilinis lang po ito na Saturday. Ito naman stock namin na CMYK. Ito naman ang consumable monitoring namin. Cyan, magenta, yellow, black, sublimation paper. Ito naman ang aming daily output record. Printer daily checklist.